Pension Scheme. 47th report on the demand on grant for Ministry of Defence on the year 2018-19 on Army, Navy and Air Force. 48th report on the demand of grant for Ministry of Defence for the year of capital outlay on defence services, procurement policy and defence planning. 49th report on the demands of grant for Ministry of Defence for the year 2018-19 pertaining to the revenue budget of Ordnance Factories, Defence Research and Development Organization, DGQA and the NCC.
Report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas. Sri Bhuvanesh Karitam.
Thank you, sir. I lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 26th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 24th report of the Department-related Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas 2017-18 on safety, security and environmental aspects in petroleum sector. Thank you.
Report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development, Sri K.C. Ramamurthy.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 24th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development on the subject rainwater harvesting in metropolitan cities.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution, Sri Ripun Bora.
Sir, I rise to lay on table a copy of each in English and Hindi of the following statements of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution 2018-19. One, action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in Chapter 1 and Chapter 5 of the 22nd report, 16th Lok Sabha of the Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution on action taken by the government on recommendations contained in 20th report of the Committee on Demands for Grants of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Food and Public Distribution for the year 2018-19. 2. Action taken by the government on recommendations contained in Chapter 1 and 5 of the 23rd report of the Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution on action taken by the government on recommendations contained in the 21st report of the Committee on Demands for Grants of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Consumer Affairs for the year 2018-19.
Report of the Joint Committee on the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, Dr. Vinay Sahasrabuddin. Sri Swapandas Gupta.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy in English and Hindi of the report of the Joint Committee on the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016.
Honourable members, I have to inform members that a letter had been received from Dr. Tajim Fatma, member, stating that she could not attend the sittings of the current 247th session till 3rd January 2019 due to ill health. She has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 11th December to 3rd January 2019 of the current 247th session. Thus, she has the permission of the House for remaining absent from 11th December to 3rd January 2019 of the current session of the Rajya Sabha. The permission to remain absent is granted. I have also to inform the members that a letter has been received from Sri Beni Prasad Verma, member, stating that he is unable to attend the sittings current 247th session due to his ill health. He has therefore requested to grant of leave absence from 11th December 2018 to 8th January 2019 of the current 247th session. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 11th December 18 to 8th January 19 of the current 247th session of the Rajya Sabha? The permission to remain absent is granted. I have also to inform members that a letter has been received from Dr. K. Keshav Rao, member, stating that he is unable to attend the sittings of the current 247th session due to his ill health. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 11th December 2018 to 8th January 2019 of the current 247th session. Does the Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 11th December to 8th January 2019 of the current 247th session of the Rajya Sabha? Permission to remain absent is granted. Statement by Minister Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to make a statement in the House in respect of items mentioned against my name at serial number 1 of today's list of business.
Sri Haribhai Patibhai Chaudhary.
Sir, I rise to lay statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 40th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel on demands for grants 2018-19 pertaining to the Ministry of Coal.
Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Dr. Viren Singh, I rise to make a statement regarding the status of implementation of the recommendation observation contained the 38th report of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice Empowerment and Demand Grant 2016-17 pertaining the Ministry of Maritime.
Sri C.R. Chaudhary.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I make a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in 139th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on impact of goods and services tax, GST on exports pertaining to the Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Thank you, sir.
Sri C.R. Chaudhary, motion for election to the Marine Products Exportment Development Authority, MPEDA, to move a motion for election.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my senior colleague, Sri Suresh Prabhuji, Minister of Commerce and Industry, I move that in pursuance of Clause C of Subsection 3 of Section 4 of the Marine Product Export Development Authority Act 1972, 13 of 1972, read with the sub-rule first of Rule 4 of the Marine Product Export Development Authority Rules 1972, this House do proceed to elect in such manner as the Chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Marine Product Export Development Authority. Thank you, sir.
Those in favor, motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. Now, members, certain members have given notice under 267. I have not permitted any one of them. They can give notice under relevant rules and then they can be discussed separately, provided if they are in order. Please sit down, please. This is not the way. Nothing is going on record. This is not the parliamentary way of functioning. Nothing should go on record. This is not the way, Mr. Ragesh. Mr. Ragesh, this is not the way. Please go back to your seat. No, please sit down. This is not the way. You can discuss all the issues. You can let everyone sit down. Let everyone sit down, please. All issues can be discussed under relevant rules. There is no way, nothing shall go on record. All issues can be discussed if there is order. The House is adjourned to meet at 2 p.m.